In this video, I'll show you how to install Node.js and npm on Windows step by step. If you're a beginner and you're setting up your computer for web development, Node.js is one of the essential tools you'll need. Don't worry if you've never installed it before. We'll download it, install it, and verify everything in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Node.js. Open the official Node.js website. You'll see different versions available. For most users, I recommend downloading the LTS version, which stands for long-term support. Click the LTS download button and wait for the installer to download. Once the download is finished, open the installer. The Node.js setup window will appear. Click Next. Accept the license agreement and click Next again. You can keep the default installation location and settings. Continue clicking Next until you reach the installation screen. Now click Install. Windows may ask for permission. If it does, click Yes. Wait a few seconds while Node.js is installed. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. Now let's make sure everything was installed correctly. Open Command Prompt or PowerShell. Type Node-V and press Enter. You should see the installed Node.js version. Now let's check npm. Type npm-v and press Enter. If you see an npm version number, everything is working correctly. And that's it. You have successfully installed Node.js and npm on Windows. Node.js is now ready for your JavaScript and web development projects. In the next video, we'll use Node.js to create a project with Vite.